Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Tanya here. I want to welcome you to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And in today's video, I want to share with you just a quick impromptu haul. I went to Dollar Tree. What is this? Dollar General, just to get some staple items. And I went to Hobby Lobby. And so I got some deals. I got everything that I was looking for at a price I was willing to pay. So first I'll start with Dollar General. Got these. I went down the dollar aisle. And so I got these paper plates. Then you get mega size, got mega rolls, paper towels, $1 each. I got some chips for $1, potato chips. And I got some tortilla chips. These are all my dollar items. And then I got some foil over here. Grab this. I just kind of came from the store, dumped this on the table, and I said, let me go on and, let you guys know what's going on. After the bills are paid, I kind of, see if there's little money in the budget, to do things to make being at home fun. Okay, then I got like 2 things of aluminum foil. And then I got some like not dishwashing liquid, but soap powder. Okay, let's see. Oh no, I got more from Dollar General. Then I got these. These are salt and pepper shakers and lemon. And these were $3 originally, and they rang up half off, $1.50. So, I was willing to pay $3, but hey, they rang up, so hey, I scanned them. And then I got these 2 like lemon sprays. And these as well, these were green dot. These were $3 originally, but they rang up half. They rang up $1.50, so hey, I took it. I to use my little Dollar General app. Okay, so I did that. So those were deals. I was willing to pay $3 because they have these. It's hard to find, these little lemon sprays or picks or whatever. Okay, so let me put that over there. And I'm going to jump to Dollar Tree right quick. Then I got these mitts. I have the whole entire lemon collection from Dollar Tree, the plates, cups, and everything in the glassware. But last year, I think I stained these. So whenever I can get some pot holders and a mitt, I'll get one. So I got these, $1.25. I don't like it when I've gotten everything else for $1 at Dollar Tree. Okay, and then guys, I got a problem. You guys need to help me with these plates. I love a cute plate, and for $1. So I got this lemon plate, and it's real ceramic. And the lady that rang me up, she said, "Are these real? These are real." She said, "Those are cute." So these are dinner plates, and they are $1. So I got 4 of those. She rang and she did them individually. She wrapped them up individually. So these are cute. Guys, I just, after the bills are paid and, you work hard, and I just, like being at home fun. So, nice, cute little dinnerware for the seasons. Sit outside on the porch, have a little barbecue, have a little sub sandwich and fruit for dinner, in the evening. So, as a married woman of 31 years, we are the ones that kind of bring harmony and joy and relaxation and fun to the household. That's what I like to do. That's my gift. Sometimes get with some men. Some men, their gift is to go out and make money and to hustle, and and it's our job. Even when I was working full time. I still love making our home a fun place to be. I would change our dinnerware out, put some flowers out. Sometimes men won't say that they like it, but they like it. As long as you're not just like going broke doing it. Get some bargains. Like say, these plates are $1. And it'll last forever. Okay, so let's see what else. Okay. And let's see, what is this from? From Hobby Lobby. I got the sunflower napkins. These are beverage napkins. I have a beautiful collection of all types of napkins. And these are 50 count dinner napkins. And these were half off. These were $5.99 and they were $3. $6, then $2.99. And then these were $5. These were $2.50. And I've been wanting some yellow napkins for a long time. And when you can get them on Amazon, you get a nice linen napkin, but they're almost like $25, $35 for maybe 6. And so I saw these in Hobby Lobby. These are cute. Has a little frayed edge. And these were $3.99. So that's $4. So these rang up as $1.99. So I'm like, I always have to get that pay $2 for $6, $8. $8 for 4. And I've been wanting these for years. I have every other color but yellow. So I got these. And then the last thing I got some sunflowers. I love Hobby Lobby's florals. They're expensive, but they are good. And these were originally $11.99. That's $12, so they rang up as $6, 50% off. Okay, so that's all I got today on my shopping trip. And I just wanted to share with you some fun little things to spruce things up around the house. Okay, so also I want to chit chat with you guys too, because like since there's been a lot since one of the since Kevin Samuel, since he passed away. Me, I've been married for 31 years, so I really wasn't like looking at relationship channels and stuff like that. And so once he passed away, I started like looking at all the different videos and people, their reaction videos. He's been passed away, rest in peace. He's been passed away for almost 30 days now, over a month now, and I really wasn't going to say anything about it, but I just still keep seeing, and just got me into a rabbit hole of watching, these relationship channels and all this beef. All these people are anti-male, anti-female, and I just think we just all need to stick together and start trying to team up. If you meet a lady, you meet someone you like, try to team up with them. Be honest with them. I've been married 31 years, and 31 years ago was a little different. Men still kind of wanted to marry women, and men, kind of took on the role, of provider and protector. And you know, and if you have the skills to be a homemaker, and I'm not saying a homemaker because I worked, when I met my husband, I was fully employed. There go my beans. Fully employed at AT&T, and but I still did whatever I could. I did whatever I could to make our home comfortable. You know, with my check, we would pay the bills, and then, you know, I'll be the one to, you know, decorate and stuff like that. And so I just want you guys, just young people, and me and my husband, we were talking, we was like, with all these apps, these dating apps, and all these matchmaking vehicles, you know, people still aren't connecting. And I think it's a shame. Even in our era, we got married in 1991. Even, you know, people had, you know, pictures. We had images of handsome men and handsome women, but not like the guys do today. I mean, you can, like, you know, have a beautiful fly woman, you know, just all in your, you know, at your fingertips on your phone. And a lot of these women are surgically enhanced. A lot of them are. And, you know, you're just seeing beautiful women. And then when you get with a real woman, you're going to get with a real human being. Someone that's just not going to be performing for you to get your likes, to get your clicks, to get you to, you know, transfer money to their Cash App. You're going to get a real woman that's going to have expectations, that's going to talk. You know, if you, like, do something she doesn't like, she's going to tell you about it just like you would. If you met someone and she's, you know, disrespecting you, you're going to say, hey, stop that. I don't like that. You know, so you're going to get a real person that's going to have expectations of you, that's just not going to, you know, like you just because you showed up. You know what I mean, they do like you because you showed up, but, you know, that's not all you have to do. You know, there's going to be some expectations on both parts. So I just want you guys to, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. You have expectations of her. You want her to keep her looks up. You don't want her to, like, just get fat, sloppy, keep a nasty house, and not cook at all. You know, and one thing about me, my husband, he's a good cook. All of the men in my family, they cook. My dad was a good cook. My brother, he's a good cook. So I admire a man that can cook. You know, we got to share this thing. My husband has never, like, just said, oh, well, I'm going to sit here and starve until you decide you want to get up and cook. He will get up and cook and, like, hey, and tell me, hey, there's some bacon and eggs over there, because we both working. Okay, so just, guys, you know, let's stop fighting each other and let's start teaming up, because there's so many forces against you. There's so many forces against us. We women, we don't have, no one's giving us anything. You know, no one's, as a matter of fact, you know, everyone's trying to block us too. So, you know, we just need to work together, do little things. You know, sometimes, you know, I'll make some sandwiches for the weekend, and, you know, just have a, you know, nice little lunch, nice little dinner, you know, like napkins. Just do those stuff to make it fun, and it doesn't have to be expensive. That's what Living Tastefully for Less is about. That's what Tanya's Tasteful Table is. It's like, I like to have a tasteful table, because especially when I got married, my love, we moved into a beautiful new home, and my love for dinnerware and creating a tasteful table just, like, went through the roof, okay? And it's been 31 years and things have not changed. So if I can get a few little things for $1 here and there just to make being at home fun, that's what I'm gonna do, okay? So that's where we are. Gave you guys a haul. And I'm sorry I had to do a little rant, but I still think we need to team up. All right, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. Gotta get up out of here.